Hey, guess what happened to me yesterday? Something kind of funny and definitely tasty.
Oh, yeah. What's that then? Something happened at the office.
It did. Yeah, in the
Yeah.
break room, someone brought in fresh salt bread.
Yeah.
That simple
Ugh.
bread, just salt on top.
Oh, salt bread.
It smelled so good.
Yeah, I think I saw that. Actually, I grabbed a piece myself. It was still a bit warm.
Nice.
Uh-huh. Really soft inside and just like a little bit crunchy on
Mhm.
the outside. It was
Mhm.
really good.
Exactly. It's amazing how something, you know, so basic can be so yummy,
Totally.
I find. Like, I used to always want sweet stuff, pastries and things.
Mm-hmm.
But lately, I'm really enjoying plain bread more, like that salt bread.
I know what you mean. Sometimes if I have something really sweet, like a big piece of cake or sweet bun, I feel kind of tired afterward.
Yes, me too.
Like my energy just goes whoosh, then plummets.
That's exactly it. The salt bread just feels, I don't know, satisfying,
Mm-hmm.
but not too much. Anyway, one of the interns uh, saw us all eating it, and she was like, why do grown-ups love salt bread so much?
Huh. That's funny. I think I heard her say that. She's usually got a big chocolate muffin, right?
That's the one. And it
Yeah.
got me thinking, I mean, I loved chocolate muffins back in college. That was my go-to breakfast.
It's funny how tastes change, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah. Back then, I probably would have picked something sweet too. Now. Give me a simple baguette, maybe with a little butter. That's perfect.
Ooh, a baguette. Yeah,
Mm.
that's good too. Maybe with some garlic butter.
Oh, now you're talking.
That'd be extra good.
Well, speaking of good bread, I found this little bakery near our office just last week.
Really?
It's
Where?
kind of hidden. It's behind that coffee shop, the one on the corner. Have you seen it?
Behind the corner coffee shop. No, I don't think so. A bakery.
Yeah, it's tucked away back there. Anyway, they make these mini salt breads. And here's a good tip for you.
Okay.
If you go before 10 in the morning, they often give you one free.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Free. A free mini salt bread.
Yeah, like a little morning bonus.
Wow. That's like the best tip. A good morning tip indeed. I might have to check that out tomorrow.
You totally should. I went there yesterday before work. Got my coffee, got my little free bread.
Nice.
Yeah, it made the morning feel a bit nicer.
I can totally see that. Starting the day with something tasty, even just a small piece of warm bread,
Yeah,
it does make things feel a little more special, doesn't it?
it really does. Especially before a busy day kicks in.
And let's be honest, it's probably cheaper than buying a big sandwich or some fancy cake.
Way cheaper. Yeah, sometimes the simple stuff is just, well, better.
It reminds me, remember when we were all working from home during that lockdown time?
Oh, yeah. Feels like ages ago now.
I used to make banana bread sometimes and bring it in when we started coming back to the office.
Oh, I do remember that. Your banana bread was amazing.
Ah, thanks.
Seriously, it was so soft and not too sweet. Just right.
Yeah, I kind of perfected it then. It's super easy, actually. Just like bananas, eggs, flour, and a little bit of honey instead of sugar.
Okay, see, that sounds good. No sugar, just honey.
Yep.
That's it.
Hmm.
Hmm.
You got to share that recipe sometime. Sounds easy enough, even for me.
I will, for sure. But, the nice thing about making it yourself is you know exactly what's in it.
Exactly. That's a
Yeah.
big one for me. Sometimes you look at the ingredients list on store-bought stuff, and it's like, what is all this?
Right. Making it yourself, you just feel more in control, I guess.
Definitely. And let's face it, it saves money too.
Oh, yeah.
Bringing your own snack or breakfast, especially now, everything seems to be getting more expensive. Even just a muffin costs way more than it used to.
That is so true. It adds up. So, okay, thinking about all this bread talk,
Yeah.
what's your number one favorite bread right now, if you had to pick just one?
Tough question. But you know what? Going back to the start, I think I might have to agree with the intern's observation. Maybe it is salt bread for me right now.
Really? Me too. I was going to say the same thing.
Ah, see? Grown-ups. But yeah, it's just so good with coffee in the morning. Exactly. That little bit of saltiness is just perfect. And it's not too heavy.
Right. Doesn't weigh you down, especially when you've got a ton of work to get through. It feels like a little moment of simple pleasure.
Yeah, like a little bit of happiness in the middle of a busy day.
It really is. And you know what else I was thinking? Maybe Maybe liking the simple stuff, like choosing salt bread over a fancy cake. Maybe that's a sign we're actually becoming, like, real adults.
Huh. Maybe you're right. One tasty piece of simple bread at a time. That's how we do it.
Okay, so let's share some quick tips based on this. First one,
Hmm.
check out those small local bakeries, especially early in the morning.
Right. You might score some free bread, like you said, or maybe just find something really fresh and delicious. Great way to start the day.
Definitely worth a try. And another idea? Maybe try baking something simple at home.
Yeah, like that banana bread. Super easy, great place to start. Or look for recipes that don't even need yeast. Some of those are surprisingly simple, too.
Good point. And if you find yourself getting that sleepy feeling after eating sweet stuff,
Uh-huh, the sugar crash.
yeah, try switching to something plainer, like salt bread or a baguette for a snack or breakfast. It might help keep your energy levels a bit more stable.
That's a really good practical tip. And pairing that simple bread with just black coffee or plain tea,
Hmm.
that can be a really nice, light, satisfying breakfast or snack.
Absolutely. Which leads to another thing, bringing your own bread or baked goods to work.
Yeah, we touched on that. It's cheaper, often healthier, because you know what went into it.
And it can just be more enjoyable knowing you made it or pick something simple you really like.
Totally agree. Oh, and here's another little thing. Try eating simple bread when it's warm.
Yes. Good one.
Either buy it warm or just pop it in the microwave or toaster oven for a few seconds at home or the office, especially with a little butter or even some olive oil. Makes a big difference.
Oh, warm bread is the best. Totally elevates it. And hey, for people who still love their sweet treats, like those chocolate muffins,
Can't forget them.
maybe try pairing them with something plain to drink, like milk, or just a simple unsweetened tea. It can kind of balance out all that sweetness.
That's a smart idea. Enjoy the sweet, but balance it out. And I guess the big takeaway is also just exploring those little local spots.
Definitely. Small bakeries often have real gems, fresh, unique stuff you won't find in a big supermarket.
For sure. You never know what delicious thing you might discover.
So true.
Wow. So, yeah, it all started with a piece of salt bread in the office yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And look at us having this whole deep dive into bread preferences. It's funny how everyone has their favorites, right? Sweet, plain, salty.
And how those favorites can change over time.
Exactly. From chocolate muffins to maybe salt bread or baguettes.
It just shows, I think, how even really small, simple things can bring a bit of joy.
Yeah, and spark some fun conversations too.
Definitely.
So maybe next time you're deciding on a snack, think about what kind of bread you're in the mood for. Tell you something. Or just make your day a little better.
I like that. Little bread psychology. Well, thanks everyone for joining us for this unexpected chat all about bread.
Yeah, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed our little deep dive today and maybe want more helpful tips or just fun chats like this,
Please think about subscribing or maybe give us a like.
it genuinely helps us out and lets us know you're enjoying it. We really appreciate you tuning in.
We do. Hope you found something tasty to think about.
Until next time.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.